Don't make this mistake while writing an SEO optimized article with the help of ChatGPT and DeepSeek. Don't use this prompt where I have written write an SEO optimized article on the topic health and wellness. Although I have got a very detailed article, right? But if you publish this article on your website or maybe on your blog, Google can punish you. Google will de-rank your website because now you are using AI to write an article. But what does that mean? That means that like we can't use AI to write an article? No. We can use, but there is a trick that you need to imply while using ChatGPT and DeepSeek to write articles for you. So what you have to do, first thing, don't give general commands like this one that I have given, because just imagine that how many people are giving the same command on this topic, and ChatGPT can't write a different version. So if 1,000 people are there and all of them are giving this command, then ChatGPT can't create 1,000 versions of this topic, right? That means there will be duplicating content somewhere or other, and when there's a duplicacy, Google doesn't like that in SEO, right? So what is the right way? The right way is, first, what you have to do, you have to go on Google, and then you have to search the topic first on Google. So let's say my topic is health and wellness. So now search this topic, because this is the main keyword on which we want to write an article. Now you open the websites that are coming up in the top searches. So I'm gonna open somewhere around 2 to 3 websites that I think can have a good amount of content, or a good piece of content, right? So now I've opened like these 3 websites, and they have written good piece of content. Okay, so let me just check out the another website as well. Let me just accept it. So now I can see this piece of content also, and then I can see this piece of content. Although this is not a good piece of content, so let me go ahead and like open another one. So let me go on another website. The difference between health and wellness, I think this makes sense. Yeah, this makes sense, right? Now the thing is, after that, what you have to do, you have to come back on ChatGPT, and then you have to give this prompt. I'm gonna give you 3 articles on the same topic. I want you to read the article and then create structure for my article, like headings, subheadings, paragraph. Also, while reading the piece of content, while reading the article, find out the keywords that have been used in those articles, so that we can also use those keywords and improve our ranking. So this is the prompt that you have to give. Then what you need to do is you just need to write down article 1 and then copy the article that you opened recently. So I'm just quickly gonna copy the complete article. So this is the article 1 that I've copied. Now same way you need to copy down the article number 2. So go on the second website and then you just copy down the complete article. Okay. I think it should be sufficient till here. Article number 2 and then article number 3. Now on the basis of our prompt, this will basically start reading the content that has been published on these websites, because you can see that already these websites are ranking at the top for this keyword. That means that they have done their proper on-page SEO, proper off-page SEO. So if we just copy their on-page tactics, then it becomes easy for us to target those keywords, right? And if you want to find out the keywords on your own instead of depending or rely completely on ChatGPT, so you can go on my YouTube channel. You can type down on YouTube Rohan Gulati 504. Then my channel will appear over here, and then you can go back into the videos section. I've created a very detailed video on finding the keyword, so you can watch this video, find volume of keyword for free. So like this, with this video you will be able to find as many keyword as you want to, and that is completely for free. And also you can watch my SEMrush tutorial where I have shown how to find low competition keywords. So if you are looking to find low competition keywords, you can use this tutorial. And I have one more tutorial on the way in which I have done the complete SEMrush walkthrough. So if you don't know how to use SEMrush, and if you are confused about how you can make use of SEMrush, then you can watch this tutorial and you can find it out, that how you can use SEMrush to find out the best pieces of content. But now let's come back. So you see it has like created the complete structure on the basis of the prompt that we have provided. Proposed article structure: health versus wellness. Introduction: briefly introduce the terms health and wellness. Mention how these terms are often used interchangeably but have distinct meanings. Provide a concise definition of each term based on credible sources like the World Health Organization. What is health? What is wellness? Then the difference between dimension of wellness, and so other stuff. Now you see, this is the article that we should optimize for. Otherwise, like if you just give a very simple prompt, then you won't get such type of content, right? Now, key SEO keywords extracted: health versus wellness, difference between health and wellness, dimensions of wellness. So these are the keywords that we can definitely use. Now this is the structure that we got. Now if you want, we can ask ChatGPT again to write down the complete article. Write down the complete article on the basis of structure. So now ChatGPT will gonna write me a complete article on the basis of the structure that it has finalized, and this way I'll get somewhere or other the unique content, because now this type of content you won't see other people will be getting it, because the content that I have given, I don't think so that like every one of us will be giving the same piece of content to read to ChatGPT. So when you give unique content to read to ChatGPT, so it like memorize it and then it starts giving you the output on the basis of that. So this way, once you create some uniqueness in your prompts, that way the output that gets come, so that output is also becomes unique, right? So this is how you have to use ChatGPT in order to write an SEO optimized article. So now you can see key differences between health and wellness is there. So it has created a table as well, and then dimensions of wellness. So it has also targeted the keywords that it showed us. How to improve health and wellness, importance of wellness in the workplace, and conclusion. Now if you want, you can give more prompt. For example, like you can go ahead and like open more articles and ask ChatGPT to read more, and then whatever is missing in your article, you can ask ChatGPT to include those topics as well. But this is the right way through which you can use AI to write pieces of content for you, and then this way can become killer, because now you don't need to depend on any other to write 1,000 pieces of word or 2,000 pieces of word. I hope you like the video. If you have liked it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.